G'day everyone. So I was just doing some shopping yesterday, and a nice little storm formed up to the east of where I come home. So these collection of videos I've patched together are just bit of the evolution of the mini chase that we did. So yeah, it wasn't like a full-blown chase. We didn't get like heaps of stuff, but I thought I'd put this together so you can see a bit of a Darwin storm. It went severe after it crossed over where we were, and I should have at the back. I mean, I don't have it at the time I'm recording this, but I should have at the some point some footage by Chris Gareth as well, because he was at East Arm. And he's going to provide some footage from his point of view, so I can shove it in this little clip. So enjoy, and I'll give a little bit of commentary probably before some of the other videos, just to tell you what's going on and where I am and whatnot. So hope you enjoy. Thank you. So this first part of the video is, so it's like storm, let's go, and shows just a hyperlink of us getting to where we gotta go. So I'm out at Howard Springs, my trusty sidekick, and we're just trying to there's a storm coming in from out east, out across towards Fog Dam. So we're just waiting to see if any bolts land near us. It's a little way away. I've seen a few bolts so far, but nothing too close. See how we go. soon as I start recording, there's a lightning, but I don't know if it caught it.
No, I didn't see it. I was too busy watching that dip.
So this is the cell that I mentioned earlier. It's getting closer. Seen a few flashes. I don't know if I caught that. Over there.
Yeah, probably not. This was
There's a real good bolt. Just got a message from Chris. He just mentioned the shelf that I was talking to you about not long ago. Yeah, he can. I think he's got a better view from where he is of it.
this one.
Yeah, he's at East Point. East Arm, sorry. So he can get the shelf's in better view for him. Yeah, that bolt was just out the view of the friggin' hyperlapse. But I think I was pointing this phone at it, so one of them should have picked it up.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw that.
Out the corner of my eyes.
I think the camera picked it up again.
It's better when they're in that dark because you can see under them.
Uh-huh.
Baseball, baseball.
It's going to be incredible to watch on that hyperlapse. I'll have to do some image pulling.
The colouring up there is magnificent.
Uh-huh.
You see what I mean though, with behind the trees, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
It's like, oh.
Got that.
Every time.
I'm not sure if I can get a better view from just over the bridge. Although it's not bad here. It's just those trees there from the creek. What? That's alright. I've got the camera pointing that way. I've got the hyperlapse pointing over here, this pointing over there. Bird.
In the same place on the other side of the bridge.
I'm recording again. Now. Yeah, I got it. That's where I'm pointing. hyperlapse to get it.
Oh.
I just have to slow it right down and then find it. We just had some very, very close bolts, so knowing my luck now, I'm going to record. There we have it. Thank you very much. I didn't see it, but you heard it. Nice. See the flies going back and across the screen as bloody termites. It's going to be fun. Although as long as they swarm now and not later, I don't care. Get out of here. We've just been spending the last half an hour or so waiting for this storm to come. I went live on the page and the storm didn't produce, but now I've come through it on the other side. We're getting some more bolts. different videos that I'll patch together for this later. But nice little line of storms. Chris is over at his arm. I almost was going to go there, but I've got frozen food in the car, so I couldn't. And also my car's not the best condition at the moment either, so I can't go driving around everywhere. But this is on my way home, so it's a bit different. Yeah, I got a nice close bolt. Well, I didn't see the bolt, but heard it. Big loud crack. I'm going to use Mike O'Neill if you're watching this at the time, but I'm going to use one of your terms. I was driving not long just through the storm and they were plonking. Had some plonkers going all around me. Jerking the camera because there was one over here, then there was one over there, then there was one back here again. I need about 5 cameras, I think. Constant rumbles. So there's obviously bolts in the cloud and on the other side of the storm. But a nice afternoon thunderstorm in Darwin. It's been a while since I got right in the heart of one properly. Mostly because my bearing on the car is buggered, so I can't really do much. Can't go far. But I was in town. This formed. Crossed exactly across the road where I go home. So, right place, right time. Anyway, I'll stop rambling now and just watch this for a little bit longer. Problem when you use a phone, as you can see with the whole lens flare. Lightning's a bit too bright sometimes. Like that one, you only just saw it on the camera. That was a clear air bolt, but the camera just didn't adapt. It didn't adapt in time, so I will be buying better equipment at some point to bring you even better videos than this. Anyway, I've got frozen food in the car, so don't thanks for watching, everybody, and boom, that was a nice one before I go. See you later.